Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday. It's about 10:41 a.m. We are performing a sewer inspection for the property at 18928 Amistad Place, city of Tarzana, California 91356. We have access the main sewer line via 2-inch ventilation pipe on the roof. We were able to locate a clean out inside inside the house, outside one of the restrooms by the kitchen area. But we decided that it was easier to access the pipe from this ventilation pipe. So at this point, we are about 67 feet from the ventilation access on the roof. We were able to locate the junction of where the two sides of the sewer merge, and this is at the front of the house. You will see the exact location on the pictures on the report. But at this point, where we are right now is where the left side of the house bathrooms meets with the right side of the bathroom. So we're gonna start pulling the camera from this side, then eventually we will move into the next one and try to record the second part of the inspection. So this pipe right here, it's a 4-inch vitrified clay pipe. So this is at the front lawn by the main entrance. Okay, so far everything looks in good working condition at this point at 52 feet. Okay, the joints of the pipe seems to be aligned. No problem until this area right here. As you can see, there's a lot of debris that needs to be flushed out, and all this debris is holding water. It seems like there's a lot of rust of calcium from cast iron pipe. See, there's an excessive amount right here. Okay, so right here there is a transition. You can see the orange pipe ahead. It's a vitrified clay pipe, 4-inch, and right here it's a cast iron pipe, 3 inches. It seems that this is the original pipe since they built the house. That's why there's a lot of calcium on it. There's a lot of bumps, imperfections on it that will toilet paper and waste will get cut on all these bumps. You can see the calcium falling apart from the pipe. So this is a very old pipe and needs to be upgraded. Otherwise they're gonna have backups of sewers very soon. In some areas we can see some cracks on the lines. Okay, it looks like this pipe has exceeded its lifespan. Again, this is the sewer line that goes from the bathrooms on the right hand side of the house. It connects with the kitchen and then goes out towards the front. there's a lot of debris of calcium that it's loose on the bottom of the pipe. Okay, right now we're going to start coming up from the drain into the ventilation, up the wall. And this is all a 2-inch pipe. Okay, this is the 2-inch ventilation pipe, and that one over there is the back of the house. Okay, so we'll move on to the second area and try to inspect the line from there all the way out to the public city sewer connection. Okay, this is the second part of the video. This is the left side sewer of the house. We were able to push the camera again from the ventilation up on the roof on this the opposite side of the first one, which is about 77 feet out. We're guesstimating that we are right by the property line, which is usually the sidewalk at the front of this of the front of the house, or the front of the property. We were not able to make it all the way to the public city sewer connection, and not able to identify the condition of the sewer lateral because of how the house is plumbed, and the condition of the pipe is not helping at all because it has a lot of calcium, and that it's making a lot of friction on our equipment. So we're gonna go ahead and recommend installation of a new 4-inch cleanout on the front of the house for maintenance purposes, and then once that is done, we can come back and finish the inspection for the sewer lateral. But so far, this is again a 4-inch clay coming from the front of the property to the back to the house. So all this clay pipe seems to be in good working condition at the time of this inspection. All the connections or the joints, they seem fairly aligned. And this one right here, as you can see at 10 o'clock, it is the connection for the right side of the house. So this is where the other bathroom and the kitchen discharges. Okay, the line right here continues to be 4-inch vitrified clay. Okay, and at some point it's gonna do the same thing that it did on the other one. It's gonna turn into a 3-inch cast iron. So everything looks good so far on the clay portion. Okay, and this is where the transition from clay to cast iron is. As you can see, pipe has a lot of rust loosened on the bottom of the pipe. This seems to be the original pipe since they built the property. All this loosened calcium, it can be flushed out, but once that is flushed out, you will be able to see a lot of cracks and imperfections on this pipe, and eventually it will just back up into the house. So this is the connection for the Jack and Jill restroom. And right now we're coming back into the master. Okay, we're gonna start coming up into the walls, the ventilation of the pipe. So right here we're coming out of the sewer line. This is the ventilation in between the wall. Okay, and that is the back side of the property, and right here is the front side. Okay, so that's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drain Buster Distributor.